Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process of registering for classes on Coursera step by step. Follow these instructions to get started on your learning journey. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. If you do not have an account yet, click on the Join for Free button. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google or Facebook account for a quicker registration. Step 2. Explore courses. Once you've created your account and logged in, take some time to explore the vast array of courses available. You can search for specific topics or browse through categories. Use the search bar or check out the Browse section on the homepage to find courses that interest you. Step 3. Select a course. After you find a course you'd like to enroll in, click on the course title to view more details. This page provides information about the course content, instructors, duration, and prerequisites. Make sure to read through this information to ensure it's the right fit for you. Step 4. Enroll in the course. On the course page, you will see an Enroll button. Click this button to begin the registration process. Depending on the course, you may have the option to choose between auditing the course for free or paying for a certificate. Step 5. Payment process, if applicable. If you choose to pay for the course, you will be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment details and follow the instructions to finalize your enrollment. If auditing the course for free, simply confirm your enrollment. Step 6. Start learning. Once you have successfully enrolled, you will be taken to the course dashboard. From here, you can access the course materials, including video lectures, readings, and quizzes. Feel free to start learning at your own pace. Step 7. Keep track of your progress. As you progress through the course, Coursera allows you to track your completion. You can always revisit videos and materials if you need to review any lessons. Step 8. Engage with the community. Make sure to join the discussion forums and connect with fellow learners. This can enhance your learning experience, and you can gain valuable insights from others in the course. Don't forget, if you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Happy learning!